I have a very special property for sale today to talk about. This is one of those apartments when you open your door, you have these beautiful sea views right in front of you where you can cook, where you can enjoy this Spanish weather and lifestyle. And this apartment have a touristic license in the Higueron area. So I took this listing for mainly two reasons: this front door, direct sea views, and the fact that the apartment has a touristic license in place that you can start renting straight away. One of the main requirements of my clients who are looking for a holiday home is like they want to rent it out when they are not here, or for investors that are looking for a property that generates passive income. So this is one of those apartments which are perfect for short-term rentals and you can have income guaranteed. But beside the fact that it's a good investment, I would like to talk about all the characteristics about this top gestion apartment in the Lomas 5 new development, which is a brand new property. No one ever lived in this apartment. It consisted in 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms for the asking price of 530,000 with all the furniture included and the touristic license. Interior wise, this space where we are walking by right now, a living room and the American kitchen, is a total of 37 square meters with direct access to this massive terrace. It's a 38 square meters, very bright south-facing terrace with these spectacular sea views towards the Mediterranean Sea. It's perfect for enjoying the Spanish weather, to have a barbecue with your friends, to have a coffee in the morning, and it has direct access to the master bedroom. The property has these beautiful sliding doors from bottom to the ceiling, and it's a double glazed window. So as soon as you close it, it's completely hermetic. This is one of the best of the new developments nowadays that is completely isolated temperature-wise and with the noise as well. In the master bedroom, we have 15 square meters with the built-in closet, and it's quite spacious for Spanish standards with this nice ensuite bathroom. I love it. It's one of the main things nowadays to put the double sink and this rain shower with the suspended toilet. I mean, for what it is, which is a holiday home, it's pretty decent, it's pretty modern, and it has everything which is needed, brand new, 10 years guarantee. This is the second bedroom. Not that spacious, it's 9.4 square meters, but it's pretty enough to have a closet inside and to have the rest of the members of the family. The next bathroom we find next to the corridor, it's the guest toilet. It's a fully equipped bathroom, everything included. And again, rain shower, suspended toilet, and the sink. Let's have a look to the kitchen now. Here's where the apartment started to get interesting. This is a Decton porcelainic customized countertop. I love it, it's very beautiful. This Decton porcelainic material is designed for resistance of the temperature and as well as anti-scratch. So it's one of those things that you will have forever in your kitchen. All the appliances included, fully equipped kitchen. Electrolux, induction, oven, even have a dishwasher. Also Electrolux is a good German brand, and an integrated refrigerator with the freezer, everything included in the price. One of my favorite things about this community is that you have a lot of amenities inside. There is a beautiful infinity pool with sea views, very big, only for these 3 blocks of the phase A of Lomas 5. And you also have in the second phase the gym, the co-working, and a lot of amenities inside. So regarding the fact that we are in the Higueron area and you are walking distance to the resort, you will also have a good lifestyle in this location. It's a very desired area, one of the most expensive locations of the Costa del Sol, with pretty high net worth individuals living in this area. Anyone that knows Higueron knows that it's very reputational to own a home here, and all your neighbors and everybody who lives in this location are pretty elite kind of neighbors. Also, you have a very big sports centers to play paddle, to play beach volleyball, to play basketball. There are 2 retired NBA players living here. This is the area where Rafael Nadal spent his holidays during the Davis Cup here in Malaga, and it's one of those locations which are people compare with Marbella, no Andalusia, or the Golden Mile. So Higueron, from the perspective of a holiday area itself, is one of those resort locations, but higher up in the 5 stars kind of holiday homes. So this specific apartment is one of those examples of what can you get in this location, and to have it with the touristic license ready, where you can take the keys and jump in your property, started enjoying the Spanish lifestyle, is definitely a good opportunity. So if you would like to have a visit here in the listing I have now in the Higueron location, feel free to do it. It's a very interesting, I'm pretty sure it will be sold very quickly. Normally properties within price market in the Higueron area is about to sell, they sell regularly about 3 weeks, and this one is just released. So by the time that you watch this video, maybe it's still available, feel free to contact me. I will happy to bring you to see it for yourself, all right? By then, see you in the next video.